Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make the easiest steamed spring mix you have ever tried. I have a 5-ounce tub of spring mix mixed with baby spinach, and I have washed it in a salad spinner, but I did not spin it dry. In this case, I want whatever little bit of water is clinging to those leaves. You can see it's still draining, and that's fine. We don't want to spin this out because we actually want that little bit of water that's on there. Yes, I know it's pre-washed, but in this case, we do need that water that's clinging to the leaves. Now from here we go to the stove. I have my skillet here. It is not preheating, it's cold, and there is no oil that's going into this. It's really, really simple. It truly is steamed, but steamed in a little different way than what you might expect. Now, we're going to add the spring mix right into this dry, unheated pan. I know this is different, but it works. I've been doing this for a long time and it does work. Just add it all with that little bit of water that's still clinging to the leaves. Now, if you want to go ahead and season this right now, it's probably the best time to go ahead and do that. Any way you want. I will have my recipe below, but you season it your way, honestly. You season it any way you want. I'm adding some salt, a little bit of black pepper. I'm going to sprinkle it with a little bit of garlic powder because we're not doing any sauteing here, and I want to flavor this a little bit. Now I'm just going to kind of mix it up some because this cooks down so fast, and once it's cooked down, it's kind of hard to mix these seasonings in with it at that point. So just gonna do it like that and cover it up, and I'm going to turn it on high. Yes, high. And as soon as you see steam coming around the pan, coming up from around the pan, turn the heat off. Okay, so we're going to watch for that. It's going to take just a minute for this to heat up. But no kidding, as soon as you see the steam, you turn it off. And then you allow it to sit on that heat for about a minute. And then you take it off, and then we finish it up by sprinkling some fresh lemon juice on there, or a little bit of vinegar, or nothing. And it's good to serve right like that. Okay, so hang in there, and we're going to wait for this steam to come out from around the edge of the lid. Alright, there's steam right here. Burner goes off. I'm going to set my timer, just so you know, setting it for 1 minute. You can see there's still steam coming up because the burner is hot, even though I've got it turned off. Now this is an electric range. If you're using a gas range, your results are going to be a little bit different. You may need to keep that heat on just a little bit longer, because with a gas range, when you turn the heat off, the heat is off. It doesn't linger like it does with an electric range, so bear that in mind. Alright, there's my timer. I'm going to call this done. It looks really nice like it is. It's just wilted and good to go, just like that. But I'm going to add not quite a tablespoon of white wine vinegar to it, just to help brighten the flavor. You can add the juice from a wedge or two of fresh lemon, would be equally as good, if not better. I'm going to stir that up a little bit, and our lightly steamed spring mix is ready to serve. There you go. It's yummy, and I don't think you can get any easier than that. Well, the recipe is below. Give this a try sometime and let me know how it works for you. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye for now.